PMS Control Panel. In our Celex, Komba and Nexa models, you will find a control panel, or PMS, mounted on the side of your rear cabinetry. This panel allows you to check and control various elements of your conversion. The default display indicates the software version at the top, the current time, and the internal temperature reading underneath. Main appliance controls. You can power on all appliances together from the control panel. First, press the power button on the top left. Then the tap water pump button and the under-counter lighting button. You can press the power button to turn everything off together, or control them individually. To activate the water pump, press the power button, followed by the tap button. Reverse these steps to deactivate the pump. To activate the under-counter lighting, again press the power button, followed by the light button. Reverse these steps to turn the lighting off again. When on mains hookup, to swap charging over to your vehicle battery from the leisure battery default, press the power button, then press the battery select button. Notice the display will now read leisure battery. Reverse these steps to return to the default. Display settings. Press the down arrow on the right to scroll through your settings. From here you can check the reading for your leisure battery and your vehicle battery, the on or off main supply status, the fresh water tank level in 25% steps, the waste tank level of 0 or 100%, the external temperature sensor, the current being drawn from the battery, the clock setting function, the alarm setting function, turning the alarm on or off, the event timer setting function and turning this on or off. Then you will return to the main home screen. You can also reverse scroll using the up arrow. Appliance activation. By pressing the power button on your panel, you can activate or deactivate several appliances in your conversion. Use this to turn on or off interior spot lighting left on at source, your 12-volt and USB sockets, and your toilet flush system on the Nexa Plus model. The blue light indicates that the panel is activated. And deactivated when the light is off. For more details, please refer to your handbook.